Hi, do you wanna see how 10 plus years of Klay's preschool experience has been packed in a box and sent to your home? Follow me.
Klaytopia is a complete preschool experience that brings a combination of a hands-on activity box, high-quality virtual lessons, and expert support right at your doorstep every month. Each box comes with a unique theme that explores concepts from concrete to abstract and provides 30 hours of constructive, age-appropriate engagement with reusable activities to achieve diverse learning outcomes. Great, isn't it? Additionally, you get access to our online platform, Klay at Home, which comes loaded with video lessons, our proprietary content, and an exhaustive repository of worksheets that align with the theme and learning objective of the month's box. A thorough assessment mechanism is built into the program via a development tracker, and our curriculum experts intervene fortnightly to help parents navigate through the box and evaluate the child's progress. Parents also get the support of child psychology and family experts to support them with their questions and challenges. So, what are you waiting for? Pre-register to be among the few to get the box at INR 1999.
Klaytopia, 10 years of our preschool experience at your home.